What's up, everyone? Welcome back to SV Californica. We're on the hook here at Willow Cove. We're going to go ahead and row ashore and see what we find here. So just a short hike up from the cove, you have these two little grassy flat spots that aren't bad campsites, really. I mean, it's a little protected. I still feel it's pretty windy right now, but you got a lot of privacy and everything. So another interesting feature is you got this little stream, drainage that comes through out to the ocean. And here we are in September, and there's still a little bit of standing water there. So check it out. I'm going to show you some really cool plants. This is the Scarlet monkeyflower, also known as Erythranthe cardinalis, and this one has huge flowers, these bright reddish orange flowers, just really showing off that summer color. They love their feet wet, so it's just like us hanging at a pool with our face in the sun and our feet in the pool. These guys like fresh water, so just behind me there's a drainage coming down with fresh water from the land coming out to the sea, and these guys are taking advantage right in the muddy water right here. This one is another pollinator plant by hummingbirds, and you can see with that tubular like flower that's going to dap that pollen right on the head of the hummingbird. But bumblebees might also climb in there. It's a pretty big opening, but really cool plant. This is Erythranthe cardinalis, the scarlet monkeyflower, sitting here in some nice fresh water. It's interesting, for a place called Willow Cove, I do not see any willows, but I do see this plant, which is very willow-like, that occurs here in these wetland kind of areas along streams, or likes moisture. This is Mulefat, or Baccharis salicifolia. This plant is great for soil stabilization, water purification, and also for pollinators. This has a lot of pollinators around it right now, little native bees and other insects like that, and butterflies. Butterflies really love these type of plants where it can land on that flower and also lay their eggs. The larvae will use this as food and emerge as a nice healthy adult, and life goes on. But really cool plant. This is Baccharis salicifolia, not a willow, but Mulefat. Pretty cool. You got this perennial stream here. Here we are in mid-September, and you got water coming out of this seep right here, and it's just feeding all these water-loving plants like Mulefat and the scarlet monkeyflower and vervain. It's hard to get on film, but there are damselflies and other dragonflies and other insects flying around right now. These types of habitats are really important to maintain. And here you are with a perennial stream with that water still, fresh water, still flowing. Pretty cool. I'm sure foxes will love this too. So it's pretty cool to be climbing up in one of these trees. This is a iconic tree for the Channel Islands and a cherry woodland habitat. So this is a really important species. Edible cherries, the foxes really like them. So this is Prunus, ilicifolia, subspecies lyonii, also known as the Catalina Island cherry, although it does occur on a couple other islands. But great plant and a perfect example of island gigantism.